You guys, so I have a special announcement for you, and you are not going to want to miss this. So I went to the Incredibles 2 movie with my kids, and I had this brilliant idea. You know what? Every single tutor has their own special superpower, right? And I have these amazing tutors in the Insider Secrets Club, and we call them Tutorpreneur Heroes. But instead, for this conference that we have coming up, we're going to call them the Incredibles, because they each have their own superpower, and they are going to share with you how they are successful with their online tutoring business. Now, I know you are not going to want to miss out on this. If you've thought about tutoring online, or you want to be able to get more students for your online tutoring business, or maybe you just want to add online tutoring to the mix, then this conference is absolutely for you. So what are we going to cover in this conference? I'm glad you asked. We are going to be talking about how to be able to get that perfect student for you. You're also going to learn about, all the onboarding stuff. What do you say to that client when they first, come into the mix and they start learning about you, and how do you handle payments, and what types of resources and tools do you use with your online tutoring business? All these things are absolutely essential. Along with that, you're going to learn how do they handle referrals and testimonials and keep their business thriving so that they don't have to constantly go out there and search for every single one of their students, but instead their students are finding them. That makes it a lot easier, because when you're booked solid, you don't have the time to be able to spend on tons of social media tools and tweeting and all of that kind of stuff. So to have a business that is constantly attracting the right client to you is going to be pivotal for your success. Now, you're going to learn about tutors that are just getting started, all the way from tutors that have been doing this for years and years and years. And the benefit of that is you can see the different strategies that people are utilizing in their business so that they can be the most successful that they can be. You're going to be able to, instead of listening to the advice that everybody else in your life seems to be giving you, that doesn't really seem to be working, and you're going to be able to listen to the advice of the people that are out there and doing it. If that sounds awesome to you, then sign up. There is a link inside of the description. Click on that link and come join us, because guess what? The best part is this conference isn't going to cost you an arm and a leg. In fact, it is only $1. That's right. So come join us today and come see the incredible tutors that are out there and kicking it every single day with their online tutoring business. My name is Joanne Kaminski, and this is me saying, till next time. Bye, you guys.